MyButcher's unique. We have a thing called Meat with Care. We say it comes from our people and goes into our product. And that's where the love comes from. My role is Managing Director. My name is Tony Buckley. MyButcher is a meat wholesaler specialising in the hospitality sector. Just had its 23rd birthday. We're located in Camden Park. In total, we would have about 50 staff members. Predominantly, we're a food service supplier in hospitality. We have about 500 odd clients. 80% of our business is hotels, restaurants, etc. Our systems were pretty antiquated. We know we needed to improve them, and Fresho was like a halo for us. We had pieces of paper from each customer with all the products they would order sitting behind the phone, and there was hundreds of these things we had to fill out every day. To get a change of culture where instead of a chef would ring up and place his order over the phone, for them to actually place the order on a computer, it was a huge challenge. I didn't think it was possible. We now have 90% plus acceptance of customers placing their own orders, which is brilliant. Fresho, fortunately, it was our answer. What I've seen with our customers' behaviour since using Fresho is a dramatic change. So instead of them only having the core product range that they would order, they now have access to our total product range, and they're ordering more products automatically. Instead of our sales reps having to receive orders from our customers, they can actually spend more value time with the client on introducing new products. Not only does it help us through our administration part of our business, but in production we hit a button and all the orders fly out. We used to have to manually put every product onto a particular run at a particular time and destination for delivery. We use Fresho all day, every day. Monday to Friday, all our orders are placed through Fresho into our system. Not only our administration part of our business, but also our production. So it goes to all of our departments. We've got 3 different ones: our schnitzel team, our butchers team, our value-added team. They automate to all of those teams, and then we just place the orders and out they go. We get a run sheet for our delivery drivers and they can load off of that too. So really effective. With 90% of our orders going straight through Fresho, we actually save about 40 hours a week. Staff, since using Fresho, have found a tremendous drop-off of error rates. And now my staff and myself can't live without it. Sales since using Fresho have dramatically increased. Revenue has doubled in 3 years. What that has put onto us is additional pressures on our production. This is a nice story because what we've had to do now is expand our operation. Being on board with Fresho secures the company's future. Just the overall management pressure is off of my head and into a computer. And that's enormous. We've already started an expansion program, not only doubling our revenue, but we believe we're going to be tripling that in the next 5 years. We're moving into new markets, into the retail sector. We've invested in packaging equipment that's going to support that. And we couldn't have done any of this without the support of Fresho.